Spice up your English with collocations. Hello there, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into an aspect of vocabulary that can seriously boost your fluency and make your English sound more natural. We're talking about collocations. More specifically, we're going to explore how to use collocations in speaking and writing. So, let's jump right in. In the English language, collocations are words that frequently go together. It's not about grammar rules, but rather about how native speakers usually combine words. For example, brush your teeth, take a shower, or make a mistake are common collocations. Incorporating collocations into your language usage can elevate your English skills, making your speaking and writing sound more natural and fluent. Speaking is a dynamic, fast-paced form of communication. Hence, using collocations can help make your speech flow smoother and sound more native-like. When you're speaking English, try to consciously use collocations you've learned. For instance, instead of saying, do a crime, say, commit a crime. Similarly, instead of make progress, say, make headway. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these collocations in your everyday speech, the more naturally they'll come to you. When it comes to writing, using collocations can not only enhance your text's readability but also show a higher command of language to the reader. Let's take an example. Instead of writing, "It was raining very heavily," you can use the collocation, "It was pouring rain." To incorporate collocations into your writing, first identify opportunities where you can replace common phrases with a collocation. Then, draft your sentences using these collocations. Over time, this will become second nature. Ultimately, the key to mastering collocations is practice. Whether you're speaking or writing, aim to use at least a few collocations each time. This will not only help you remember them better but will also make your English sound more fluent and natural. And that's it for today, language learners. I hope you found this exploration of collocations useful. Remember, the goal is not to memorize all collocations, but rather to gradually incorporate them into your everyday English use. Keep practicing, and soon you'll notice a significant improvement in your fluency. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.